What's good, family? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get started in Forex, all the apps that you need to download, all the online information that you need to have as well, family. So guys, watch the whole video to get the full value from the whole thing, because I'm about to go in, man. Right about now, I've already dropped my wife and my kids to playgroup, and I'm about to have something to eat for breakfast. Well, I'm gonna have a smoothie actually, so you guys know that I'm keeping up with my smoothies every single morning, or most mornings. Smoothies, and I'm gonna have some fruits as well for breakfast, and then I'm gonna get into the charts as well, and show you guys what I'm looking at. We've got all the ingredients just literally chucked up into this one box here, everything up in here. So I'm keeping up with it, so I'm being consistent, family, I'm being consistent. Alright guys, smoothie done. Before I even go into anything about what you need to know about getting started in the foreign exchange market, I'm going to show you guys the trade I'm currently in right now. Alright family, so this is Euro USD. So this is the trade that I'm currently trading right now. So when it was down here, I pulled it all the way down here. Told you guys that Euro USD was gonna rise. I'm in it for a rise. I see that was accumulating. And guess what, family? It's gone from where I told you guys it was gonna rise from all the way up to here, which is 160 pips, family. So this is why you guys should watch the whole video to the end, because I do drop some nuggets up in this joint. I do drop some nuggets up in here. So guys, definitely watch the whole video just in case I drop something like this. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, currently I was in that position. I did close that position roughly about, I think it was roughly about these highs. I did close it roughly about here. But and when it pulled back down, I did add another position over here. So then it rose up again, pulled back down. I added a second position, pushed up again, came back down, added a third position. So right now I'm in 3 positions on Euro USD, right up to the very top. I do believe there's still upward momentum. Okay, there's lots of buy pressure right now. So any dip should be supported. So I'm just, anytime it dips down, I'm just gonna buy it again. Dips down, buy it again. And so this is what I'm doing right now with Euro USD. So right now it's going well. I caught so many pips. So this one here, that would have been a nice 150 plus added to my pips, but because I closed it here, I'm gonna leave it, but I'm just gonna go from here. So from here to here, roughly about 140 pips. From here to here, roughly about 120 pips. That's 260 pips so far. And then from here to here, roughly about 90 pips. So about 350 pips so far in Euro USD. And I do believe there's still some upward momentum. I want to pull back all the way down into this zone here. Okay, my little golden pocket zone right here. And then for another push to come and blitz this. To come right to this TP right here. So yeah, so far so good. That was my analysis on Euro USD. Before I even go into the apps you need to have, guys, you need to have the right kind of education. You don't want to just go into trading nilly-willy. You don't want to just go in guessing and gambling. You need to educate yourself properly on trading. I learned through an educational platform. So guys, if you want to know about that, shoot me a message on Instagram. I can show you guys about that as well. And you can obviously catch stuff on YouTube as well. They're not going to be as good as the stuff from the educational platforms, but you're going to learn a few things here and there. So first of all, like I said, you need to have education. Because if not, and you just go in, just YOLO in it, you're going to be gambling, and we're not about that gambling life. We're not about that easy money like that. We wait for confirmations. We have multiple confirmations. We have confluence before we enter a trade, yeah? So that's the first thing you need to know about how to get started in trading. Like I said, shoot me a message on Instagram if you want to know about how I learned how to trade Forex, and I can show you guys that too. Here's my phone right now. You can see all the different apps. The first 2 apps here are trading platforms. So this is where you physically go to place a trade. So MetaTrader 4 is the one that I currently use. Trading 212 I've used every now and then, but I don't really use it as much because I just don't understand it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, I just don't understand it. But MetaTrader 4 is pretty simple to do. You can watch my how to make money with Forex video, and you can check out how I use MetaTrader 4 on that. So MT4 is the trading platform that I use. So they're perfect, they're fine. I had no complaints with them whatsoever. This is where you go to physically place your buy and sell orders, your trades for any single currency pair. So trading 212, like I said, I don't really use as much. I just don't understand it, but I've used it and I've made money on that too. Trading View is the next one, family. So Trading View is an app that I use to mark up my charts. So I don't place any trades on Trading View. All I do is mark up my charts on Trading View, and that's it. So you can go there, use the different indicators. You can go there and use all the different tools that you have. So I just clicked on Trading View right now. This is my watch list right here. So these are the pairs that I'm watching currently right now. So you can see that Euro USD is still pushing. So I did all my markups on Trading View, and I just showed you my laptop Trading View as well. So you can access Trading View via your laptop, via the website, or you can just download the app here on your phone and use it on your phone. So right now you can see Euro USD is still pushing up, man. So it's still good, still moving correct, still doing nicely. We're moving correct, all right? So that's Euro USD right now. I don't place any trades on Trading View whatsoever. All I do on Trading View is markup charts, and that's it. The next apps on the list are Skrill and PayPal. So with Skrill and PayPal, those are just apps that I use to withdraw the money from my trading account from. Let's just say you topped up £100 and you made £20 and you wanted to withdraw that £20. I would withdraw it to either my PayPal account or my Skrill account. They're both just as good. And once it hits those accounts, you can transfer the money from those accounts to your bank account on the same day. So that's just powerful. So definitely have something like that, Skrill or PayPal, like an online wallet where you can transfer money to from your broker account and then straight into your bank account. You can transfer the money straight from your trading account to your bank account, but it takes a few days, whereas if you do it this way, it's a lot quicker. So this is why I use these two apps right here. The last app you guys can see is my FX book. This is just powerful because a lot of people, they YOLO trade. They don't really know how much they're risking. They don't know what lot size to use. This tool does it all. So I'm gonna quickly go into this tool to show you guys how to use this tool. So it's my FX book. I don't use it for no news. Don't use it for anything else. All I use it for is for this, the calculator. So let me quickly click on the calculator. Boom. So there is an ad every now and then. Cool. So now check out this. This is how powerful this is. This is how you pick the correct lot size, yeah? So let's just say, for example, you have a £1,000 account, you're risking 3%, which is £30. Each currency pair gives off different amounts. So you need to use the position size calculator to pick the right lot size in order for you to make the correct amount of money, right? So check this out. My account currency is in pound sterling. I'm trading Euro USD. My amount to risk is £1,000. So I have an £1,000 account. If I click on risk by percentage, yeah, it tells me how much I'm willing to risk by percentage, 3%. Okay, done. And let's just say, for example, my stop loss is 10 pips and I hit calculate. If I scroll down, yeah, it says, although it says GBP/USD up there, it doesn't really matter what it says, okay? It says, where it says standard lot, it says I should use a 0.39. Hey family, so I know it says 0.38, but what happened was my screen stopped recording and it didn't alert me. It's literally midnight right now and I'm recording my screen. There's obviously been fluctuations in currencies and now it says 0.39. So that's exactly why there's a difference between the screen and what I'm saying. So that means if I use a 0.39 and I lost this trade, it tells me my amount at risk is £30. So in other words, that's the correct lot size to use in order for me to risk 3%. You see it? So this is how powerful this tool is, all right? So this is why I use the MyFX calculator before I enter any trade, so I can make sure that I'm using the correct lot size. I'm not gonna be YOLO trading, I'm not gonna be gambling, I'm not gonna just be guessing lot sizes. I'm using the correct and accurate lot size and grow my account percentage by percentage by percentage every single time. So there you have it, guys. Those are the apps that you need to be using. You can just pick one trading platform and one online wallet. You don't need to have all of them, okay? But guys, definitely use the MyFX calculator. Do all your markups on TradingView. Don't clog up your charts on MT4, man. MT4 is just where I go to place a trade, and that's it, family. Hopefully you guys out there who have started to trade Forex, definitely get those apps if you don't have it already, because they're going to change your life. So for those people out there who are thinking about Forex trading, you know, and they want to know information before they even jump in, or, you know, how to get started kind of thing, those are the apps that you guys should have. Alright family, so just before I end the video, I wanted to quickly give you an update regarding Euro USD. It is probably a few days after, but I thought I would chuck it in here too. So right now you can see that Euro USD did hit my overall TP of about 200 pips, man. That was powerful. So with this very first position that I entered in roughly down here, I didn't hold all the way to the end. I did close it roughly about here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the math real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and add that one up. So from roughly here to here is roughly about 70 pips on that one. From my second entry to the very top, is roughly about 180 pips. So altogether, that's 250 pips so far. From my third position, roughly about to the target, is roughly about 150 pips. So altogether, that is 400 pips there. So from my very last position, from here to roughly here, is roughly about 130 pips. So altogether, that's 530 pips caught altogether on Euro USD. Absolutely phenomenal right there. That was such a brilliant trade. I was hoping for it to come back down roughly about into this zone here, so I can add my fourth entry and then hit my TP zone, but it just went straight through and smashed it. Okay, so that would have been good, but oh well, the market does what it wants to do. So family, always watch my videos to the very end, because I do drop some nuggets in the video. I do share what I'm trading to, and I do sometimes even break down why I even entered the trade. So guys, definitely watch the whole video to the end to get those nuggets. Anyway guys, so that is the video done. Hopefully you guys like it. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5K subscribers right now. Once again, thank you to all the supporters, all the appreciation, all the love that you guys have been showing me. There'll be a lot more content just like this coming out as well, and there'll be a lot more family lifestyle vlogging, all of that stuff, all of that good stuff, and all those positive vibes, because you guys know that whenever I bring out the camera, it's a good day. It's a positive vibe thing. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.